Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. Today we are going to talk about how to properly use a Cricut cutting mat. A lot of beginners struggle with this, but once you understand it, your project will become much easier. Since Cricut mats come in different types for different materials, choosing the right one really matters. And I've explained that in this video. Now, let's quickly go through the different Cricut mats and how to use them. This light blue Cricut cutting mat is called LightGrip mat. This is perfect for delicate stuff like regular paper, light cardstock, or vellum. Basically, anything that might tear easily. Then, there's the StandardGrip mat. That's the green one. This is your go-to for most projects. We are mainly talking about vinyl, patterned paper, or iron-on materials. If you're just getting started, this is probably your go-to option. Next up is the StrongGrip mat, the purple one. Now, this cutting mat is for your heavy duty material. Think cardstock, chipboard, leather, even fabric, anything that needs some serious hold. And finally, you've got your FabricGrip mat, the pink one. This one's specifically designed for fabrics, and it's got really strong adhesive to keep these floppy materials nice and flat. Alright, so now that you know which mat to use, let's move on to getting it ready for action. To use it for the first time, you need to carefully smoothen your material onto the mat. Make sure you place your material on the mat with the cut side facing up. Once you've placed your material onto the cutting mat, you need to check if there's any wrinkle or lifted edges, or your cuts can go wrong. Also, leave a small border around the edges so the machine can grip the mat properly. Once that's done, load the mat into your machine and you're ready to cut. Start by sliding your mat under the machine rollers. Make sure it is straight and centered, not tilted. Now, press the load button or the arrow button, depending on your Cricut model. Your machine will pull the mat inside automatically. Let the machine do its thing and complete the cutting. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.